Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this stick biscuit. Here I'm using room temperature butter. Make sure your butter is room temperature because it will be easier to work with. And I'm adding 1 whole egg. And condensed milk. So I'll be listing out all the right measurements of the ingredients that I use for this recipe on my description. Feel free to check it out. Here I'm saving my powdered sugar, icing sugar. I added vanilla flavor, powdered one, and salt to taste. And I'll be sieving everything out. So it's important to sieve out all your dry ingredients to avoid battling with lumps. So now I'll be sieving my flour. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I do appreciate that. So I decided to use my hand to mash it. For those seeing my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see them. So I'll be slicing it out. So I'll roll it into a bowl. And then roll it again into stick. You can see. Yeah, I did the rest. So now I'm doing the chocolate one. And here I added the cocoa powder. And I'll be mixing everything to well combine. And I added 1 teaspoon of condensed milk to bind it together. You can see all was set. Here I'll be rolling it out. So this is another method of the stick biscuit, the method that I want to use in cutting out the stick. So if you have your other method, feel free to use it. So I have to cut out the edges, the rough edges. You can see. So if you have another way that you think will be faster in doing this, you're welcome to do it. So I tried these two methods, the rolling one and the cutting one. So if you have another method, please let me know at the comment section. So the chocolate one is done. So I'll be doing the remaining type. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow my page. Please like my video, comment, and please share. So remember to tell me if there's another way we can get this achieved without sweating so much. Yeah, something that will make it faster, the cutting. I'd like you to tell me on the comment section. So you can see already. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can see it came out so well. Look at it. Wow. And it's so yummy. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video.